In response to rising youth unemployment, the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society organized an overseas job fair in Shillong. The event, held at the State Convention Centre, aimed to connect skilled local workers with international job opportunities. Health Minister Dr. M. Amparin Lingdor highlighted the challenges faced by Meghalaya's young population, noting that 37% are under 35 years old and face limited local job prospects. The government remains committed to creating employment opportunities and addressing the unemployment crisis.
About this problem, we understand that there will be criticisms that will be coming from various quarters, questioning government, why are you sending citizens to different countries and different parts of India? Why are you not able to do that in your own state? Amidst all the problems that we have, lack of industries, lack of companies coming to the state of Meghalaya, lack of good salaries to pay and offer our citizens. Government will take this criticism, but we will take action also. This is what this job fair is all about.
Sports Minister